Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we need to go get some petrol for the Foz and keep testing out the boost controller. Stay tuned. Alright. Excellent. Alrighty, just got home, got some petrol in the 20 litre jerry can, and I forgot a funnel. Let's see how we go. Oh, hello. Alright, gonna make a makeshift funnel. Might use some of that, and some of this, and some of that. Alright, a little makeshift funnel. This might take a little while, but we've got a breather. That should be a bit quicker. Alrighty, there's still a little bit in here. There's a little bit in when I picked it up from my dad, so I'll leave a bit in there for him. So I've probably got about 10 to 15 litres, which is fine. And that actually worked really good. Having the breather on the yellow part worked really well. And I only spilt a little bit, which is dried up already. Alrighty, she's going. I'll bring the Skyline in, take the Foz out. Hey guys, you would not believe this. Squeaky power steering again. Right, let's see how we go. Still not getting above 10. I might have an exhaust leak. When like the wastegate opens, I can really hear it. And it's an internal one. Do a little pull along here. That's not going to do it. Alright guys, there's only one more thing that I can do, and it's the boost solenoid. I'm just going to change it over. So there we go. Alright, last chance. If this doesn't work, it's probably the boost controller solenoid. Yep, that was it. Popped an intercooler pipe off. So it's limp home. Yeah, it went up to 16 and just went bang. So I popped the cooler off. What's the bet, guys? Which one is it? Let's get it back in. Yeah. Hey, you're still recording. Shh. Turn off. Right, which one is it? One that hasn't come off before. This one here. Wow. I made a really loud bang because it hit this. Now it's loose. Wow. Okay. That one's never popped off before. Alrighty guys. I'm going to get back out there and turn it down. Might try for like 14 PSI. Alrighty, I'm on low boost. So, see what it's at low boost. I've got tools here to pipes back on. low boost is like 10.5 or 11. Let's do the high boost. Nice, got it smack on 14. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna leave it. It's quick. Quick for now. But it will get quicker, guys. Obviously, it's more about the intercooler piping at the moment. So, need to get another welder. Yay! I fixed it. So I had the hoses around the wrong way on the boost solenoid, and I had that adapter pill around the wrong way as well. So all good now. Let's get onto the Skyline. Okay, the boost just changed when I opened up the exhaust too. So I'm on low and it's gone like 13. Alrighty guys, don't really feel like doing the Skyline, but boost controller is good now. So when the exhaust, it's just a single through the stock muffler, I'm running low boost at 10. When it's open, it's like 13. High boost when it's closed is 14, and when it's open it's 16. So you get like 2 to 3 psi difference just on exhaust flow. That's pretty amazing, and a lot more noises. I think I've terrorized the neighborhood enough for one day, so I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next episode. Bye.